Hey guys, tonight we're gonna make some prosciutto wrapped filet mignon. It's gonna be delicious. Mamma mia. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Todd. There's Sassy over there getting some garlic bread ready for tonight's dinner. It's a Monday night and we wanted a fast, quick, but gourmet dinner. So we're gonna be taking some prosciutto and we're gonna be wrapping some of these filet mignon. We're gonna be firing up the Weber Kettle grill. We're gonna be using Grill Grates on either side. We're gonna bring them up really slowly under that kettle and then reverse sear them toward the end. I don't know, is that reverse sear? That's forward sear, you know, whatever, but we're gonna warm it up to the middle. It's just about 125. Then we're gonna sear both sides and eat. On top of that, Sassy's cooking up some Brussels sprouts. They're gonna be really tasty. And if we have time, we're gonna take some of that garlic bread, jalapeno garlic bread she's making up. We're gonna toast it on the Weber as well. So folks, before we go any further, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and set your notification settings to get updates. Yeah. This prosciutto is some tasty stuff here. What?
There's a lot of salt in it.
There's a lot of salt in it. I don't know, to me it kind of looks like bacon. So once we get them seared up really nicely, or begin the sear, we're gonna take some of this Kerrygold pure Irish butter and we're gonna put it in our little tin cup along with some fresh garlic and rosemary out of our garden that Sassy grows so well. And we're gonna melt this down. Again, as we start to sear it, we're going to give it the little butter garlic bath. The rosemary should really add to the flavor. Mamma mia. Is that how they say it in Italian? So I guess first things first, let's wrap up these filet mignon with this prosciutto. So I love the way my wife, Sassy, gets these delicious little morsels for weeknight dinners. It's a nice surprise. You can really see how rich it is. You know, maybe if I get a little stick of common everyday butter and compare it side by side, you can kind of tell. See how rich that is? It's just a nice, deeper, rich butter, and they are both butter. Again, this was Irish cows, I guess, or Irish grass, or maybe they had some scotch or something like that. But anyway, it's really great butter. This filet mignon really speaks for itself. I'm not going to really give it a whole lot of seasoning, but I am just going to give a little dab of salt. Now the prosciutto is salty by itself, so I'm not going to really bother salting the edges, just the top and bottom. And this is coarse ground kosher salt, of course. There we go. And a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. Doesn't need much at all. Pat it in. Okay, now we're going to get this prosciutto out and do the wrapping. Now, I've never wrapped filet mignon with prosciutto before. Well, this is really thin stuff right here. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Boy, that is thin. Well, I guess I'm just going to give it a little wrap around the sides there. This is tricky because it's so delicate. Oh, the paper comes off, huh?
Yes, just like cheese.
Just like
slices.
cheese. Okay. Like that. Okay. And oh, it's so thin. Look at this. Just comes off like that. We're just going to give it a little bit. I'm going to like double wrap it, kind of go around the edge. And I'm going to take a toothpick to each end and just put it in. And there we go. This is a stove paper thing. I'm going to fold it lengthwise once, and then I'm just going to kind of go around it. And I'm going to, it's just the right length to put the ends on either end of the filet mignon. There we go. Oh, one more toothpick, babe. And then just through both ends. And there you go. So this is going to be really interesting. I'm going to warm these up on the Weber, bring them up to about an internal temperature of 125. Then I'm going to sear them on some grill grates that are upside down right over the top of the coals. Should be pretty interesting. And here's Sassy's jalapeno garlic bread. Toothpicks out there. All right, as you can see, nicely seared. The bruschetta is, did its job. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half now. Sassy and I like these a little bit more well done. You can always stop sooner. Let's go right up the middle. There we go. Oh yeah. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna taste this one right there that I cut for you. Good idea, baby. That bruschetta, I'll still never figure out. Prosciutto. I'll never figure out how to say it. I'm 2% Italian, okay? Ancestry.com, 2% Italian. So, Oh damn, baby. Roasted garlic, the Irish butter, fresh, sassy grown rosemary. Of course, you can't forget the filet mignon. That's the whole reason we're here. I don't even need my creamy horseradish. I love Beaver brand creamy horseradish. I don't think I even need any of this right now. This is so good. All right. We hit that one out of the park, right, baby?
Yep, you did good.
Well, we're gonna eat some of these tasty Brussels sprouts. Got a little bit of garlic bread, jalapeno bread, grilled over that Weber too. You know, we're gonna get eating, guys. So, thanks for watching.
Happy Monday.
And guys, we love it when you stop by, watch some of our videos, spend some time out of your day chilling with us. So be sure to subscribe, share this with your friends and family. We love it when you comment down below, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye. Oh, whatever you want.
Hey guys, tonight we're gonna make some bruschetta. Is it bruschetta?
What's it pronounced? Prosciutto. Prosciutto. It's prosciutto.
Prosciutto. You sure about that?
Yes, and look at the belly. It's